Good morning, guys. Again, we're going to talk about something that is very important, your safety. Safety won't be compromised here at Chasse. Ladders. We take those for granted. We work with them so often. Any of us that have worked, before we worked in construction, we had ladders around the house. Some of us have developed bad habits. When you're using an A-frame style ladder, you need to make sure that you lock it in place. You need to make sure, again, that these lockers are in good condition. If they're broke, the ladder has to be pulled out of service. You want to make sure that, again, you've got the labels on the ladders. This has labels here. How many of you have ever read them? It's important to read the labels. It takes, 2 minutes? You've been on ladders most of your career. Let's make sure that you read the labels. And the label's going to tell you things. It's going to tell you to make sure the ladder is on a firm, solid, level base. This ladder is. It's going to tell you that you need 3 points of contact when you climb a ladder. So as I climb this ladder, I need 3 points of contact. It's also going to tell you, and most of the time it has it printed, that this top rail is not a step. You cannot step on this. You cannot, and unfortunately, you all have seen that I just need a little extra room, so I'm going to go up here and I'm going to stand on the top of the ladder. Standing on the top of the ladder is never acceptable. So again, you need to make sure that the ladder, that the rungs are in good shape. Again, 3 points of contact when you're climbing up a ladder. So your rungs have to be in good shape. Again, crossbars have to be in good place. For no reason do you climb up this side. These are not steps. They do make a ladder that have steps on both sides, but obviously these are not steps. So you need to always make sure the ladder is in good condition. With a straight ladder is different than a A-frame ladder. Straight ladders are supposed to be stood up against a wall. They're supposed to be a 4-to-1 base on a straight ladder, meaning if I go up 20 foot, I want to have the bottom of that ladder at 5 foot out. It needs to be tied off or secured at the top. It needs to extend 3 foot above where your landing is. Simple rules, but again, we need to follow those rules because falls are the #1 killer in construction, and nobody that dies has expected it to be them. So again, if the ladder is in poor service, is in bad service, it needs to be pulled out. If you have any questions on this, again, talk to your supervisor and he will direct you on it. Thank you.